Alright, new hub, or new back wheel. The stolen Revolver matte blue. It's got a flat black hub and regular black spokes. Just overview of the bike. I will do a hub sound here in a second, but I tried to upload this video and it would not upload, so this is a different one. So, yeah. First things first, I might have a few parts for sale. Just keep reminding me. But a Miraco seat post that came with my bike. It's really like oily and greasy and stuff like that, so yeah, so I'm holding it up there. And then Miraco plastic seat. Has some drawing on it, but nothing that can't be washed off. My pegs are off at the second, but they are not for sale. I'm just saying they're off, so yeah, that's why they're not being shown. But I will do a hub sound right quick. It's not that loud, but it is a little bit louder than my last one. I am still running the 25/9 gearing. It's a 9-tooth driver. You can get a 10 and an 8-tooth, I think. But overall, I've got to say, it's a loud hub. It's a lot louder than my other one. And ever since it's been broken in, it's been louder. But I got to hurry up and finish this. But my old back hub, or wheel, wobbles a lot. Yeah, so I got a new one. So yeah, this is it.